Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A71. This is the front of the box, as you see. So let's take a look. This is the phone. It's look great. It's a purple color on the box, but we have a prism crush black. So on the down side of our box we have all the numbers of our phone, the model of it, which about is memory capacity. On the down we have small instruction, and that's it about the box. Now let's take a look inside. On the upper side we have a box with the key and with the paperwork here, which is the instruction, warranty card and registration log guide. This is the new paperwork, which I didn't see before in Samsung. Now look at the phone. Phone is in the plastic film here, so let's move the plastic film from the phone and let's take a look at the phone right now. Samsung A71 version. On the back side there is this not black color as in description, prism crush, so it has a little color, as you see in the sun. Anyway, look at the apparat. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 apparatus and one lamp, flash lamp. It's great because the new Note or Samsung S20, as I unbox on my channel, has only 3 camera. This is the full camera, so it's the great news. Now on the downside of our phone we have a jack port, the USB-C connector, the mic option and the speaker on the phone to play the music. On the right side we have a power button, down button, up button. This is the front camera, which is on the up side, and on the up of this phone we have the hole for the next mic. On the left side we have a place for the memory card and SIM card. Great. Now in box we have a super fast charging charger. This is the travel adapter, same as in new Note or S20. Here we have a USB-C cable, and of course we have earphones, which is not doesn't AKG like and the premium option. It's only Samsung brand headset. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!